Schedule tab is where you can go to see what your crew is currently working on, as well as a bit of what is to come. When you click into this tab, the first thing that you'll need to do is select which rig you'd like to view the schedule for. If you have multiple, you'll see them all listed here. But you can only view one at a time. So we'll click in to view your rig, and then you'll see this interface here with active, next, and queued. Active will show anything that your crew is currently working on, and you will have these two buttons for mark complete and for mark on hold. You can click mark complete to indicate that a project is completed, or if you have not completed a project, you need to leave it but plan to come back to it, you might want to click mark on hold. If you do this, a little pop-up will show up here asking you to provide a reason, put something in really quick for the admins to review, and then submit it. And when you either mark a project complete or mark it as on hold, this project will be removed from your current queue, and whatever you have in next will automatically slide over to active. So next here is what you can expect your crew's next scope of work to be. One important thing to know about these buttons and the way that active and next interact with each other is that if you mark one of these complete or on hold and then a project slides from next into active, it will automatically set the price book for this sub-project. So before you click these buttons, be extra sure that the project that is listed here in next is indeed what you're moving to. Sometimes it can create a problem if you hit complete, have a project slide from next into active, set the price book, and then have to wait several weeks before actually moving to that project. If there are changes to the price book, it creates complications. So just be sure that what you see here in next is indeed the one that you are moving to immediately and the work is ready to begin. So we've covered active, we've covered next. If you see anything here in queued, that would just be any other projects, maybe second or third or fourth in line behind the next project that you have here. If you mark one complete and you have one move from next into active and you have anything waiting in the queue, you might see it slide up into the next position immediately, but only if the project is ready for work. If there is any outstanding regulatory documentation, bids, or anything else related to a project, then it will stay in the queue until those requirements have been met before it slides into the next project.